Hello, my name is Kamil and I'm a part of a QuWireless team. Today, let me show you our QuSpot antenna dedicated to Teltonika RUT360. QuSpot is omnidirectional device, meaning its beamwidth is 360 degrees. It consists of two 4 dBi LTE antennas and two 6 dBi Wi-Fi antennas, which allows you to fully utilize the power of the radio. It's a perfect outdoor device for mobile and fixed installations, like industrial, CCTV, hotspots, yachts, boats, campers and others. How to assemble it? Let's take a look inside. First, open the top lid and put it aside. You can see here are 4 cables terminated with connectors. The gold one are for Wi-Fi connection and the silver one are for mobile. All you need to do is take the router and plug the connectors. The mobile ones You don't have to tighten the connectors at this point, we can do it in a minute. This way it will be easier to put into the mounting bracket. But first, on this side, we have to put the Ethernet cable into the LAN port and the power cable into the power port. It's really important that the Teltonika RUT360 is the only Teltonika device that doesn't accept power over the Ethernet. You have to use our modified cables. Now let's put the router inside. Yeah, it's ready. All that is left to do is close the enclosure with the bottom lid. We have to screw the 4 screws. Your antenna is ready to be used. Let's go and put it on the mast. And don't forget your QPSU power supply. You can use any other brand, but we always recommend using QuWireless. Let's go! Now let me show you how to put the antenna on the mast. First, we should install the mounting bracket on the antenna. For that, we're gonna need the 4 hex screws. Let's tighten it. And we are ready to put the antenna on the mast. Your antenna is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!